Is your partner keeping you up at night with their loud snoring? If so, you've got to try this anti-snoring device from Difiney. This mouthpiece helps open your airway to improve breathing and reduce snoring. Just follow the instructions to get a custom fit. First, brush your teeth, then snap the included handles on the mouthpiece. Boil enough water to fill a mug, then submerge the mouthpiece in hot water for 40 seconds. Wait for the mouthpiece to cool for about 5 to 10 seconds and then bite on the device another 10 seconds to create a custom impression. Press firmly around your mouth to mold the mouthpiece to your teeth. It's normal if your mouth doesn't fully close with the mouthpiece in place. Lastly, place the device in cold water for 30 seconds to set. Sweet dreams!